Hello YouTube. Today I'll be showing you the size difference between number 1 birdshot and number 7 birdshot. I'll pour them over in these containers so you can see the size difference a bit better. As you can see, it's quite a big difference in size and the amount of shot. The number 7 birdshot is your regular target ammo, trap ammo, and the number 1 is used mainly for hunting larger animals, foxes and such. The number 1 birdshot is 4 millimeters in diameter, and the number 7 is 2.5 millimeters in diameter. I'll make a video shooting both these rounds at different targets to show you this power difference and the pattern difference. Thank you for watching.